Right, let's mark up Euro USD and see what it's going to do today. Wednesday, 22nd of July. So the daily bearish, broken structure to the left, pulled into the premium, broke structure again to the downside. So the daily's bearish, 4 hour bearish too, creating lower highs and lower lows. Now we've just pulled back into the premium of the last 4 hour swing leg here. So the 4 hours bearish. On the 1 hour, we are just ranging quite bad. We've had a few trades here. I think we took a short there. I think we didn't get anything here. We pulled to mitigate this premium once here, a second time here, taking out all these highs to the left, and now on the 1 hour we're trending down quite nicely, and we've traded this leg here and that leg there on two real nice trades this week, Monday, Tuesday, and it looks like price is pulling into the last 1 hour legs premium, and I've never had this where it's happened 3 days in a row, but it might. So we're going to look for the entry model here to trade downwards. Whether that'll play out or not, it seems a bit too good to be true, having Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday with the exact same setup 2 days in a row, but we'll see. We'll see how that pans out. Jump on the entry time frame. So you can see I've got the 1 hour swing legs marked out here, and that pink, the red box is simply just the 50% and the 80%. Nothing more complex than that. So Frankfurt's just opened. Tokyo's pushed up overnight. Again, another good sign if we're just moving up one direction overnight. Yeah, Frankfurt's coming to tap into premium now. If we get 5 minute structure forming, we want to see the sweep of the 5 minute structure at London, and then a break of that structure, and then we'll get in. We'll cover the sweeps high. We'll target the 1 hour structural low because it'll be a trend trade, and we'll wait for price to come back to our 50%, tag us in, and then head to take profit like it's done for the last 2 days. That's the entry model. That's the idea that I want out of today. You see Frankfurt's already making its way up. Now, given the fact that we have had this 2 days in a row now, and like I say, it seems too good to be true, there's a good chance that this is just gonna go like that. I mean, technically it doesn't look like it, but seems interesting to have it 3 days, 3 good setups in a row. That does tend to happen with my strategy. On GBP USD then, similar sort of thing. On the 4 hour or the daily, we've pushed up, we've took out these highs, and then we've melted off here. So that's in the pullback phase. Now I've marked out the 50% here because we pull back into the 50%, into the discount to continue bullish. So we're still above that. So shorts are still valid on the higher time frame. We can see 1 hour structure has actually started to form now, and what we can wait for, again, same idea, wait for price to pull into the premium, give our entry model, and then trade it down. So whichever pair whichever pair looks the cleanest, you know, that's what I'm going to look for a short today. GBP USD is valid. 1 hour structure is bearish. When we come into premium, we can short it towards this daily 50%. And then same with Euro USD. We've respected that 4 hour premium for so long now. We broke a structure to the downside, so we could play the continuation, although we may pull back deeper into this leg before going. Price might want to come and, yeah, there you go, test that area before moving down, or it might just go where we are today. Hopefully it goes where we are today, because if we get a 3 hour trade, then we'll have phase 2 of our evaluations passed. Now there is a 3 day trading minimum, but we'll have at least made the monetary value to pass. So that's the morning markup. Looking for shorts again, following that trend downwards. I'll see you later on with a trade review, or I'll see you in the morning for the next markup.